How to make money with Poppo. A step-by-step. Want to make money with Poppo? Here is how to go about it. Hi everyone, welcome back to Chioma Media. Today I'm going to show you how to make money using Poppo, a social app that becomes popular for earning cash. If you are looking for a fun way to make some extra income, keep watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you won't miss out of how to make money online. So what is Poppo? Poppo is a live streaming app where you can connect with people worldwide, share content, and most importantly, earn money. It's like a combination of live video streaming and a virtual marketplace. Step to go about it. Download Poppo from your app store and set up your account. Make sure to choose a username and a profile picture as the standard, as this is how people will find and remember you. There is a pro tip. Set a consistent theme, whether it's lifestyle content, gaming or music. Having a niche can help you grow faster. Step 2, you have to go live and start earning. Now let's get to the earning part. The main way you make money on Poppo is by going live and getting virtual gifts from your viewers. When you live stream, viewers can send you gifts like diamonds, flowers or coins. These virtual gifts are what's real money converted. So the more gift you receive, the more money you earn. Engage with your audience. Answer their questions and have fun. People love being a part of your entertainment community, and the more engaged you are, the more likely they are to send you gifts. Boosting your earnings with consistency. Here, consistency is the key. Going live regularly helps you build a loyal audience who will show up for your streams and support you. Try to set a schedule for your live stream. Going live every evening or every weekend. This way, people know when to expect you. Step 4, using Poppo events and challenges. Poppo often hosts events and challenges where streamers can earn extra rewards. These events are a great way to increase your visibility on the app and earn more gifts. Keep an eye on the app's notification for any upcoming events. All you need to do is just join events for extra earning. Building connection is another key to success with other streamers to cross-promote each other's channel. You can guest each other's streams or give shout-outs. A supportive network can help you grow faster. Collaborate with others for growth. And also, you earn by going live on Poppo. Tools are there. When you go live, you earn for going live. You're being paid for it. Alright, let's quickly recap and load Poppo. Go live, engage with your viewers, build a consistent schedule, join events and connect with other streamers. If you follow this step, you will be well on your way to making money with Poppo. Need to start making money with Poppo? That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment below with any question, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Happy streaming and go make some money on Poppo.